Welcome, friends. Today, we explore the magic of Riviera Maya, a beautiful place on the eastern side of Mexico. It stretches from Cancun to Tulum, offering wonders for everyone. We're here to share these treasures with our TravelHolics. Before we begin, don't forget to like and subscribe for more adventures. Overview of Riviera Maya. Riviera Maya, a special place on the eastern side of Mexico, from Cancun to Tulum. White sand beaches and ancient Mayan ruins await you. Hidden gems! Discover hidden gems like cenotes, eco-parks, and local markets. Tips for you to explore these secret wonders. Culinary delights. Taste the vibrant food of the region. Visit a street vendor or a Mexican restaurant. Trying local food is important. Underwater paradise. Dive in the clear waters of the Caribbean. Snorkel in colorful coral reefs and swim with sea creatures. Unique cenotes and underground rivers are here. Tulum's bohemian vibes. Feel the relaxed vibes of Tulum. Explore the Tulum ruins and walk through shops and beach clubs. History and modern beach life blend here. Adventure activities. Get ready for adventure! Ziplining, ATV tours, and jungle hikes await. Feel the excitement of exploring lush jungles. Riviera Maya is truly beautiful. Plan your adventure now. Click the Request Quote button for more information. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more travel tales. Explore more! Click on related videos and join our journey. Like, share, and subscribe for more adventures. Until next time, happy travels!